Welcome, I'm from Amazon HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use the home screen as an example. And from there, all you really need to do is press volume down and power key at the same time. Actually hold it, there we go. So once you hold it for about a second, it gives that animation, and you can see that there is a screenshot. It has been captured. It gives you also a message, screenshot captured, and the image itself can be found in the photo gallery. So let's find the photo. There we go, photos, and you can see it. Let's go into albums and screenshots. There we go. So there it is. That's the screenshot that I have captured. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.